Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Tanner. Now, have you been thinking about buying a Tesla Model 3? Before you do, make sure you actually watch this video in its entirety because I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually get 5,000 free supercharger miles. Supercharger being like the gas station equivalent for electric vehicles. So basically drive 5,000 miles for free. Now, yes, if you are familiar with Tesla's referral program, this is a shameless plug, but it's actually one that benefits you guys as well. So all you have to do to take advantage of this current limited promotion is just visit getsupercharging.com to configure your brand new Model 3, pick up an inventory vehicle, or design a Model S or X, and you will receive that deal up until the 28th. And even though it is time sensitive, if you are viewing this video after the 28th, you will still get 1,000 miles of free supercharging using that URL, getsupercharging.com. Now, if you don't know anything about a Tesla or you're still on the fence, here are the top 5 reasons why you should actually buy a Model 3 today. So number 1, with a Tesla or any electric vehicle, you never have to deal with gas, oil changes, or fluids of any kind. You just plug in when you're home, your car intelligently charges overnight, and you wake up with the range you need in the morning. 2, Teslas receive over-the-air updates that bring new features and functionality to the cars. This is especially true with the Spartan layout and interior of the Model 3. Because there are no static switches, knobs, and buttons, in fact, just in the last few months, there have been massive enhancements to Autopilot. We've received the new dash cam and Sentry mode security monitoring features. Tesla has even extended the range by 15 miles and increased the peak power performance of this long-range rear-wheel drive model by 5%. Now, that's absolutely unheard of in the automotive industry. No other vehicle gets better after purchase. 3, it's incredibly good for the environment without any compromises, only benefits. When we used to think of electric cars as a society, we generally thought of golf carts. Now, instead, we think of Teslas, fast, safe, practical, sexy cars that not only measure up to their internal combustion engine rivals, but in most ways vastly overtake them. 4, they're fun, and the performance of any Tesla is unrivaled when compared to a similarly priced gas-powered vehicle. Thanks to instant access to 100% of the car's torque at any speed, the acceleration is unparalleled and fun beyond measure. And because the battery is the lowest point in the car, the center of gravity is so low that it handles as good as a track car. This means that it's also much safer. 5, finally, they're easy to configure. You can customize your color, rims, and options to your liking and have it delivered straight to your door in just 2 weeks. If that's not fast enough though, they also have plenty of inventory cars ready to buy immediately. And best of all, no dealing with pushy dealerships or mountains of paperwork. Now, for those of you wondering about the thumbnail, just so it's not total clickbait, the all-glass roof is actually designed on the Model 3 to reflect certain wavelengths of light, such as UV, and it reflects solar heat. Now, when it's exposed to moisture, you can see this layered glass UV protection in action as light gets refracted. All right guys, so that wraps up this video. I really hope you liked it. Be sure to stick around for more Tesla content, and until next time, this is ICU signing out.
I got problems on problems on problems on problems on problems on problems I solve them. I run through the money, the pressure be calling. Left on my blessings, I feel like I'm falling. The birdie is back, tell me I'm garbage. I'm going through something, that's why I ain't calling. Phone and progression is all that I wanted.